students, the application form of NID DAT 2023 is now open. To fill the form, first go to Google and type NID DAT 2023 application form. You will see the NID admission portal link on the search page. Click on that link and you will be redirected to the NID DAT admission home page. The page will have information on eligibility criteria, program of study, and include resources like admission handbooks and sample papers. The registration link will be given under the How to Apply section. Click on the Sign Up option to register. The registration form will open up. Select the program of study, nationality, category, and other fields. You will also have to enter your name, date of birth, and email ID. Also, select and confirm a password for the candidate account. Tick the checkbox and click on Get OTP button. OTPs will be sent to your registered email ID and mobile number. Enter the OTPs and click on OK. A pop-up will appear stating your email ID and mobile number has been verified. Click on the Submit button. The filled-in registration form will appear on the screen. Click on Confirm and Sign Up button to complete the registration process. You will be redirected to the login window. Here you need to log in entering your email ID, date of birth and password. On login, details entered during the sign up will be displayed on screen. You need to confirm the details. Next, select an exam center, enter the address of correspondence as well as your personal details. Save and proceed to the document upload section. Upload your signature and photograph as per the specifications prescribed for the documents. Click on Save and go to Payment tab. Depending on the category selected by you, the application fee will be displayed on screen. Agree to the declaration and click on Proceed to Fee Payment button. Make the payment to complete the admission process. That was all about NID 2023 application process. Feel free to reach out to us for queries in the comment section below. All the best. Like and subscribe to Shiksha YouTube channel for more updates on NID DAT 2023 exam.